Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw the Mermaid Pusheen Cat. So, to start off with the cat, we are going to begin with the head. So, starting right here on my paper, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then down like this, and that's going to be the first ear. Then I'm going to draw a little line that goes over like this. And then I'm going to draw another little line that goes up and down for the other ear. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes over. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's kind of curved, and it's just going to go straight down. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go straight over a little bit. And then I'm going to put a little curve right here for a foot. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes straight a little bit more. And then I'm going to draw another little foot right there. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up, and I'm going to stop right about there. Now, up here, the cat has a little bit of like a star with some like pearls hanging down. So I'm going to start by drawing a little bump like this, another little triangle. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes over and then down at an angle. Then I'm going to do the same thing here, over and down at an angle. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then up. And then another one that goes down and then up. Then I'm just going to draw 3 little circles underneath it like this. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw the mermaid tail. So first, we're going to draw some scales on here. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, and then 4 scales like that. Then right here, I'm going to draw a curved line that goes down to about here. And then another line that kind of curves down like this. Then I'm going to draw an oval right here. And then another oval right here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 bumps for scales. And then I'm going to put 2 more bumps right here. And then for the details on the face. So first, kind of lined up with this ear, I'm just going to draw a black dot. And then lined up with this one, I'm going to draw another black dot. And then for the mouth, it's pretty much lined up with the eyes. So I'm just going to draw a line down that kind of curves on both sides. And then I'm going to draw 3 little lines on the top of the head. And then I'm going to put 2 little whiskers over here. And then 2 whiskers right here. Then we'll put a couple accessories here. So first, let's put a little shell. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves around like this. Then I'm going to put a little bump here, and then another one right here. And then I'm going to put 2 lines in there. Then I'm going to draw a little oval shape right here. And then I'm going to draw a curved line here. And then another curved line right here for another shell. And there you go. There's your drawing of a mermaid pushing cat. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.